Do guys really have it better in life? We're talking about when you graduated, you get to your career, you start working. Guys, sabi nila, we don't have to be our kids, 'di ba? Papatuloy lang kami, okay na. Girls, magpopos ang career pag naging pregnant kayo, and you know that very well. But before that, we'll get into that on this episode. I know it's going to be a very heated discussion because Chacha is already on fire just looking at her right now. She's ready to go for this episode. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to this episode, which has been boiling Chacha's blood
Feeling ko,
pressure.
ano na naman to? Minsan yun na namang napag-usapan to ni Esa.
Yes.
Itong topic na to. I wanna hear. Anong thoughts niya dito?
People always ask us, do you guys plan to have kids? You also asked us on a couple of episodes sa podcast, diba?
Mm-hmm.
The answer is yes.
Of course.
When we'd love to have kids. The answer when we don't know, when we're ready for it. No.
But are you trying now? Not
we're not yet trying.
Okay.
But me and Esa always have this debate na
wait, you're not trying. May additional question ako because hindi pa ready si Esa.
Yeah.
Because
we both are not ready yet.
Even you.
Yeah.
Kasi kaya ako natanong kung hindi pa ready si Esa dahil pagka nagkakaanak, lalo pag nabubuntis, yung mas hirap sa babae talaga.
Yan. Yun nga. Sabi
kaya ako natanong yon kasi kung, di ba, naiintindihan ko na dapat pinag-uusapan talaga yan ng mag-asawa.
Of course.
Kung
Definitely.
ready na ba yung more than the guy, yung girl, ready ka na ba? Mapupos yung career mo, tihinto yung buhay mo.
Iba yung body mo, di ba?
Exactly,
All these things come into play. The puyat, which we talked about on the last episode, which I'm sure a lot of women would be able to relate to. But I think on my end naman, last year for us was a big adjustment because it was our 1 year pa lang kami married. You guys get to know each other. Pandemic kami nagpakasal. So we used last year to travel quite a lot. Enjoy each other's company this year.
And you guys still travel a lot hanggang ngayon.
Yes, but not as much as last year. Last year was pretty crazy.
For work, no workation. Sana all.
Workation ako. Okay, so tawag dito, of course you want to have kids. And I remember there was this one comment na naasar ako. Bihira ako maasar.
Meron?
Oo, kasi I posted something about Chili, our dog, no?
Oo.
A few months before.
Public comment or...
Yeah, public comment. An Instagram post.
Okay.
Tapos ang comment niya parang mas mauna pa yata magkakaroon ng anak yung aso niyo kaysa sa inyo.
Hindi fake account yan.
And I normally don't react.
Pero wait, sinagot mo?
Hindi. I was about to.
Grabe, ang haba ng pasensya mo.
You know what I did? You know what I did? You know
Blinak mo. Charing.
No. Hindi rin. I never blocked the person actually.
Did you,
Naka-screenshot
parang
pa sa akin.
lurk on this person's profile? No? Hindi na?
Yes. I did.
Babae, lalaki?
Babae? Tagal na to.
Tapos may Bible verse pagdating mo dun sa profile niya. Kasi kadalasan yung mga basher, mas sila pa yung ganyan eh. Maglalagay ng Bible verse dun sa mga profile nila. Pero ang hilig mo mga gumanyan, mag-comment ng mga ganyan.
Alam mo, tinawagan ko si Alice.
Alice Guo?
Wala, hindi sinagot. Nasa farm daw siya. Anyway, ito na nga sinasabi ko. This is about 8 months ago. Tagal na nito, 9 months ago.
So wait, kapag ganyan ba, Papi, yung mga ganyang klase ng comment, pag nabubwisit ka, like buong araw ka buwisit, or like saglit lang and then okay ka na, paano ginagawa mo?
Before I retaliate, pag mga I'm sure you've had your fair share of
tayo
not
pa ba?
so nice comments, diba? I'm sure everybody listening to the podcast, admittedly, even if you have 100 likes, 100 comments, lahat yan 99 positive, may isang nag-negative na comment, kahit di mo kilalang tao.
Mas doon ka maapektuhan, bad trip.
Apektuhan. But then, what I did, I remember that day was I left my phone kasi may ulo ko eh. Papatulang ko na eh. Diba, para sa akin, anong pakialam mo? What do you care about? It's our life. Ikaw ba yung papalaki ng bata?
True.
Diba? Parang ikaw ba yung papalaki?
Correct.
So easy to say something like that, pero ikaw yung papalaki niyan, di ba? Parang, what I did, I left my phone on the table. I walked away. Tapos binalik lang after a while. Screenshot ko. I was actually about to screenshot and post it.
And
say na you have no right
to say it.
Nasaan pa yung screenshot?
Bakit? Gusto mo flash na lang natin dito.
Nina, it's just cause
Okay, why? Ano nangyari? Ano nagpabago ng isip mo? Why didn't you post
Wala.
it?
wala lang. Parang, okay, it will create I'm reacting to something which will create a bigger, a snowball effect. Lalaki pa yung issue, ganyan-ganyan. I did not, although diniem ko in person, I don't appreciate your comment, pero hindi ko na pinost siya in public.
So, nag-sorry siya? Hindi rin.
I don't remember.
Nag-reply ba? Nag-scene?
I forgot. Nag-reply yan. Nakalimutan. Parang yan. Sorry.
Okay.
Anyway,
Haba
it's just
ng
the mere fact na parang it's we have to respect other people's lives, especially when it comes to things like that, diba? Na decision naman nila yan eh. Buhay nila yan. Sila yung papalaki ng bata. Anyway, going back to me and Esa, having this discussion about having kids, which some people probably have this also. It's always
the girls.
they say that have a bigger, or the sacrifice for girls would always be bigger than that of guys.
Bigger, harder,
Yes.
longer.
Yes. And I'm not
Pero
just
not
talking
all
about,
the time, syempre. Hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon.
Oh, naman, with all due respect to dads.
Pero,
to fathers, single dads, whatever.
Yes.
Who I'm sure you guys are working as hard, whatever. It's
But then
just
again, it's just that
the reality na kayo ang magbubuhat ng baby. Kayo ang mabubuntis. Kayo ang magdadala for 9
kami
months.
iire.
Exactly. And as
Kami
they say,
magpapadede.
yon, as they say, it doesn't end after 9 months.
Kami nagpapalit ng diaper kasi pag kayo nagpalit, inaabot ng 1 oras yung isang diaper. Alam mo yon?
Bedsheet nga lang namin. Inaabot
Kami
akong 2 hours pagpalit ng
nagpapaligo.
bedsheet.
Na ano naman natin, appreciate natin yung tulong
Of
that
course.
we get from our partner or our partners.
The
Pero,
moral support.
alam mo, I remember parang, ano ba yun? Parang kasi nung nanganak ako, parang, dahil feeling ko, last ko na, sabi ko, love, mag-splurge tayo. Doon tayo sa sweet. Doon ako sa
Yan!
sweet na labor. Kasi
Yun.
last naman na to eh, ganyan. Nagpamahal ng bill namin ng sobra-sobra. Sabi ko, last naman na to eh. Yung gusto ko yung katabi kita kasi hindi ko na-experience pareho yun doon sa 2 nauna. Laging pag
Pwede
nagle-labor
ba yun?
ako,
I haven't.
eto, pwede na ngayon. Pero mas mahal. So, laging pag nagle-labor ako before, dadating na lang si Mike kapag iire na ako. Tatawagin siya ng mga doktor.
Tatawagin
Pero,
siya. Yan na.
sabi ko, love, gusto ko, Mike, makita mo yung nagle-labor ako. So, nakita ni Mike lahat. Nakita ni Mike even yung tinurukan ako ng epidural. Doon daw siya pinaka nang hina. More than yung paglabas ng bata. So, sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, akala ko di ako masistress pag nandyan ka na sa tabi ko.
Mas stressful.
Pero na-stress ako na.
Kasi nakikita mo siya. Nakikita mo yung stress niya.
Hindi. No, nasistress ako kasi parang, manganganak ako, di ba? Parang, chill ka dyan Okay ka lang, happy ka dyan. Yung parang ganon. Parang,
Okay.
Pati ka nasistress. Dapat stress tayo pareho dito. Yung ganyan, yung ganyang feeling. And, ayun nga, na-appreciate natin yung tulong na nakukuha natin sa partner natin. Pero, iba
Aminin
talaga
natin.
eh. Sa nanay talaga.
Hindi pa rin
Nanay
kami
talaga.
pwedeng mabuntis. Hindi pa rin pwede kami yung nagdadala
Magpadede?
ng
Pwede
tao.
ba kayo magpadede?
Hindi
Hindi
rin.
naman, di ba?
Oo. And on another side of the coin, the flip side of the coin, no? Aside from, of course, the physical aspect, like you mentioned, nagpapadede, nagbe-breastfeed, nagpupuyat, and everything. Maybe the diaper change, pwedeng, half and half, whatever. But let's talk about
Oh
careers.
my gosh. Yeah.
Careers. Diba? Take, for example, you are studying to be a lawyer, studying to be a doctor, or whatnot. You get pregnant along the way. And we all know doctors, practically, they graduate at what? 29 years old? 30? 32? Around that area? No, yun yung parang yung masasabi mong pagpasado ka na, diba, sa board. And then you can become a legit doctor. And that comes at an age already. Kaya nga sabi lang yung doctor, sila nagkakatuluyan eh. Diba? Kasi magkakabatch sila.
Magkakasama sila nung resident
Yes.
doctors pa lang sila.
You understand, di ba, yung puyatan,
Yes,
yung walang uwian, ganyan. While, ka pa, tapos mag-surgeon ka pa, aral na naman. Di ba? And let's say, you get pregnant at the age of, 27, 28, 29, di ba? 2 years away ka na lang from being a doctor. Siyempre.
Titigil.
Popos mo yan. Magpo-pause button. Not that it's a bad thing. Of course, you're gonna be a mom, which is a blessing. But career-wise, aminin natin, let's say, pareho kayong 27 years old. Parehong, trying to be a doctor, di ba? Di pa ganyan, magpo-pause ka.
Mas stagnant yung career nung iba.
Correct. While si guy, okay, meron akong, magkakaroon ka ng 1 year advantage or whatever, a few months, di ba? And it's just, yes, unfair. Yes, but how do you find
How do you
it?
handle?
How do you handle it? Na parang you guys, like ikaw, diba? Ikaw mabilis na nga. You paused what, for 3 weeks? Am I right?
Super bilis. And all of my
yung first one.
pregnancies.
Let's talk about the first. How long did you pause for the first?
1 month.
Ano trabaho mo nun?
DJ na.
Are you already a DJ?
Yes. Kasi first job ko yun. And hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin, di ba?
Okay.
So, DJ na ako noon. And 6 months pa lang ako noon sa ABS-CBN. So, takot na ako na, shoot, parang nasa utak ko, teka naman, 6 months pa lang ako. Tapos, hindi ko pa napoprove yung sarili ko sa mga boss ko. Takot na takot ako mawala ng
leave
work.
ka na.
Kaya sabi ko sa nanay ko noon.
Ano ba maternity leave? 3 months, am I right?
105 days for those na regular employee. Pero again, hindi ako regular employee. Talent po kami. Sa mga nagtatanong pa ulit-ulit, ang dami kong questions na, ang bilis, uy, okay ka na ba? Baka naman mabinat ka. Hindi po kasi lahat. May 105 days na maternity leave. Ang paid leave lang na meron ako for 1 year ay 15 days.
Okay. Same
So, sinagad ko.
Yun na yun. Ubos.
Yun na yun.
I mean, you can still go to work, pero yung next leave mo without pay na.
Without pay na. So,
correct?
First child, 1 month. Second child, 1 month ulit. Why?
Tas
And then itong huli is 3 weeks. Bukod sa paid leave, kasi baka isipin naman ng iba, nakaipon ka naman na siguro. Sana nagpahinga ka naman muna bago yung, dito, sa pangatlo, bago ka bumalik sa trabaho.
Why did you rush into work?
May career-wise kasi sa trabaho na meron tayo, especially sa trabaho na meron ako ngayon, anytime pwede ka mapalitan alam mo.
That's true.
So, ilang days ka lang or linggo ka lang mawala. Pag nakita na, uy, mas okay to kaysa sa isa. Dahil contractual employee ka, anytime pwedeng masabi na, oy, ilagay mo na lang siya sa ganitong programa, ilipat mo na yung pumalit sa kanya kasi mas okay. So, you have that fear na, ay, teka, ang ganda na nung spot ko. Di ba? I'm just being honest here. Siguro para sa iba, sasabihin.
Ako nga, sa Boys Night Out, hindi pa ako nawawala. Pinalitan na ako ni Gino Killamor. Gino, I'm watching you, brother.
Kita mo na? Charing.
Hindi pa ako nagre-resign. Pinalitan na ako.
Charing ha, sa YG.
James Bang, my boss before. I know you.
Nakikita nyo yung stress na meron sa mga babae every time we pause our life for our child na hindi naman namin pinagsisisihan.
I like that term, pause your life.
Di ba, we pause our life para sa bata na nasa sinapupunan at ilalabas namin. Hindi namin sasabihin na masama loob namin. But at the same time, hindi ko alam kung ako lang pero meron kang agam-agam na makakabalik pa ba ako dun sa trabaho na meron ako. For regular employees, siguro madali. Kasi regular nga kayo Pero yung mga katulad natin, katulad ko, halimbawa, contractual, you're a talent, hindi ka naman na bata.
And wala ka rin hindi rin kailangan ng separation pay because technically you're not a regular employee. A regular employee, for those who are wondering, what makes a difference before you continue, Chacha, really quick. Regular employee, that's why we are not regular employees as talents, whether you're, a radio DJ or whatnot. To be a regular employee, you have to be going to work at least 8 hours a day.
Yes.
For us that do radio shows, your shows for about 3 hours, am I right?
4 hours.
4 hours. I used to do 4 hours, then again 3 hours. So, hindi kami ma-count by law as regular employees. Even for, let's say, artista sa ABS, diba? Ganon. They work by taping day.
Yes.
Tapos minsan, mag-soap opera sila, tenga sila for 5 months.
Yes. Tapos magkakaroon na naman bagong project. At
Correct.
least maswerte pa nga tayo.
Yung tenga nila na yun, walang bayad yun. Yung tenga nilang 5 months.
Correct. Sa radio kasi, parang iba-iba. Merong 1 year nire-renew yung contract. With our case, every 2 years yung renewal namin. So, meron namang mga 6 months lang daw, papi. So, iba-iba. So, di ba, yung stress ng mga katulad ko na parang habang di mo pa nalalabas yung bata, iniisip mo, may babalikan pa ba akong trabaho? But syempre, in my mind naman, parang iniisip ko, okay, kung hindi man, meron pa namang ibang mapapasukan kung sakali.
But DJ Chat, you have to remember also, DJ Chat, tsaka, para makahanap ng replacement for your caliber.
No,
of
Sam.
talent,
No,
diba?
Alam mo, sinasabi yan ng asawa ko and even my mom, but hindi ko talaga, eto ha, in all honesty, never ko naisip yan. Like, in my mind, every time I'm pregnant.
That's very humble of you. That's very humble of you to say. But I do believe your caliber of...
Hindi,
your caliber
Sam.
of being a broadcaster
Mamaya
and DJ.
Gcash kita, tsaka Paymaya, sabay. 10K.
Para palitan
10K
ka.
agad.
Baka kailangan mga 8 DJ ang talent to find somebody as talented
Seriously,
as you.
Sam, never ko naisip yan. And that's the reason why every time pregnant ako, ang bilis ko bumabalik sa trabaho. Nung nasa MOR ako, ngayon na nandito ako sa TV5, lagi nasa utak ko. Lalo na ngayon na may edad na ako, syempre isipin ko, uy, may mga mas bagets sa'yo.
Yun naman, hungry. Mga hungry.
Hindi ka na masyadong freshness. May mga taba-taba ka na ng very, very light. So,
at saka
diba?
yung mga jokes mo, tsaka hirit mo,
Tsaka parang nasa utak ko kasi, Sam, the kind of work I have, feeling ko, madali lang siya ituro or matutunan ng iba. So, dapat hindi ako super kampante. Yes, feeling ko. Pakiramdam ko.
I have to beg to disagree with what you're saying. Kasi, yes, you can learn.
Yeah.
I agree ako doon. You can teach somebody.
Nagigets kita Parang may isang Sam YG lang sa mundo and what you have, hindi kaya ng sundan yan, ng susunod pa sa'yo.
Hindi. Parang for you, we can teach anybody to be a DJ.
Yeah.
But, you can't also train the talent, the wit. It's like, let's say, a Kobe Bryant, a Michael Jordan, no, for lack of a better example.
Agree.
Diba? Anybody can play basketball. I can teach you how to play basketball. Diba? I can teach my wife how to play basketball. Diba? She can probably play basketball for the next 5 years, 10 years of her life and practice. Diba? But is she gonna be as great? Are you gonna be as great as Michael Jordan?
Naku, salamat naman.
Even after 10 years of practice. And that concludes our episode.
Mo, mamaya talagang Paymaya mo sa akin. Pero hindi, you know what, seriously.
Gcash mo na lang.
Bukod dyan, sa mapopos yung buhay ng babae, isa pa sa dapat paghandaan ng mga mabubuntis is yung postpartum.
Okay.
Ang weird
that is something you have to explain to me. Although I've heard friends, I have talked to some people who have experienced that. I'm trying to grasp it. Of course, as they say with anything in life, you can only explain about 70-80%. But until you are in that position, ikaw lang makakaintindihan ng 100%.
Oo, hindi mo masyadong fully mag-grasp kung paano talaga siya.
I'll understand it, but I wouldn't know how it really feels. The emotion that goes into it. Tell me about
hard. It's really hard to explain. Kasi, feeling ko this is the worst postpartum that I've had.
For you? Really?
Pakiramdam ko hindi halata,
very
no?
Okay.
That's why, pumasok na rin ako agad sa trabaho kasi nawiwirdohan na si Mike sa akin. Parang gabi-gabi umiiyak ako.
Talaga
na lang akong pipitik.
And this is... Oh my God.
Love, what if... Ganun! Hindi ko alam, parang alam mo yung feeling ng postpartum is parang kang nababaliw. Nag-iisip ka ng problema na hindi naman talaga problema. Or minsan naman, nasistress ka. Pero isipin nyo to ang ganda na ng environment na meron ako. Nandiyan yung asawa ko to help me. He's very responsible. Kapag tamad na ako mag-alaga, bibigay ko sa kanya. As in, yung help talaga from my husband is 100% nandyan. And madalas daw yung mga napo-postpartum, yung walang... tulong na nakukuha.
Support,
emotional support from their family or their partners, Pero dito meron Nandiyan din yung tulong ng family ko. So ang weird.
It's a hormonal thing.
It's the hormones. I really feel
yeah.
It's hindi yung environment, yung hormones talaga mga sis. Kasi isipin nyo, ako nga, ito na, okay naman buhay ko. Financially, okay din naman kami. Hindi naman kami naghihirap. Nandiyan yung asawa ko. Pero 'di ba, parang bigla akong iiyak. Sa buong pregnancy ko, di ko maalala kung ilang beses ako umiyak. Naakala ng mga tao,
for
this third one, it's super weird, the hormones that I have now. And even up to now, just 3 days ago, umiyak na naman ako, saglit lang. Tapos mamaya tatawa na ako, parang walang nangyari. So weird.
Pa-check mo na yan, chat.
Alam mo yon. So nakatulong din na bumalik na ako agad ng trabaho kasi parang yung sense of normalcy na, parang nandun ka na ulit sa buhay. It's helping, but at the same time, pag nandun ako, parang napo-postpartum pa rin ako. Kasi sa utak ko, ang bata pa nung anak ko. Bakit ko naman iniwan agad?
That whole mother,
Naiisip niyo kung gaano kahirap, pinagdadaanan ng mga babae. Hindi natatapos sa pagbubuntis, sa panganganak, yung
Yun
hirap sa pag-aalaga.
Exactly.
I mean, yung emotions din namin, super unstable after giving birth.
And that's what I wanted to talk about in this episode because yun nga that's one of the debates me and S always have.
Oh,
Diba? Na parang, she always say, alam mo, sana, pwedeng, let's say, husband and wife, okay, for the first kid, ikaw. Next kid, ikaw naman.
Sana.
Switching
Sana.
tayo, switching. Para yung pause, diba? And I also think, although wala tayong magawa, it's the way we are built as human beings, it is also a bit unfair. No? Especially
It
the
is.
life pause that you talked about earlier. And that's what me and S always talk about. Na parang, if you're already on a roll in your career, you're already, but tao dito, you have to pause all of that.
Not
'Cause
just
you
the
have to-
career. I mean, like your hobbies that you like
Correct,
doing.
everything,
Yung pagbabike. Di ba? Nakita mo lagi
Oh.
kitang, kapag nakikita ko si Sam nagbabike, ano na ako noon? Emotional na ako nung pag sinasabi ko sa yung, sana all. Kasi parang at the back of my mind.
Naiimo ka.
Naiiwan ako noon. Kasi parang
That could
nasa
be me.
utak ko, ilang beses kitang sinabihan ng sana all
Oo
nung
nga,
buntis
oo,
ako.
tama. Yes,
Tapos
yes.
lagi mo lang sasabihin, lapit ka na, lapit na yan. Di ba? Ganon sa stories. Kasi nasa
And
utak din ng
magkabaliktad
babae.
pa tayo kasi last year I was so busy. Bira makabike.
Yes.
Ngayon, baliktad nakaresign na ako.
Correct.
So, balik ako ng bike
And
ngayon.
I don't know kung ilang beses na namin napag-usapan ni Mike na, kaya ilang beses na rin pumasok sa utak ko na, what if mag-resign na lang ako? Nakita mo yung buhay ni Sam? Sasabihin ni Mike, oo nga no, parang ang saya-saya niya na pabike-bike na lang siya. Sabi ko, oo nga. Tapos bukas gusto ko na naman magtrabaho. Alam mo yun, parang ang weird talaga. I mean, you really can't explain what's happening to you. That's postpartum. Sa mga hindi nakakaintindi kung ano yun. I'm just glad that my husband, naiintindihan niya what I'm going through. So, pag inaaway ko siya, syempre, di niya ako papatulan
Tahimik
kasi
ka
alam
lang.
niyang,
Oo
okay, yung
naman.
hormones to eh. Hormones
Naman.
niya to. So, hindi lang yung trabaho, pati yung hobbies na ginagawa mo bago ka mabuntis, titigil din yun. But
Of
what I
course.
like about my husband is, and sa mga nakikinig sa atin, pwede yung gawin din to. Syempre, di niya man pwedeng tumigil yung asawa niyo, titigil din kayo sa trabaho. Nung nag-stop ako mag-bike, si Mike pwede pa rin namang mag-bike. But you know what he did?
Oh.
Tinigil niya
Binenta.
yung pagbabike.
Kala ko
No, hindi
binenta.
naman.
Hindi mayaman na kayo kasi alam ko magkano
Ayop
mapatak
ka
yung
talaga,
mga-
binenta yung mga
Alam ko
bike.
talaga yan. Mayaman na kayo.
Hindi. Tumigil din siya. Kasi sinasabi niya sa akin,
That's
pagka
the mental
na,
support.
pag okay ka na, doon na lang
Laban.
din ako magbabike. Kasi alam niya na every time makikita ko siya sa
It gets
takda,
harder for you.
mas
Yes.
maiinggit ako, mas maiimo ako.
Oh, it gets nga.
So,
it
I
gets
mean, yung
harder.
mga ganong simple things, you can do that to your wife or to your partner na medyo kung may pause siya ng konti, baka meron ka rin pwede i-pause ng slight habang siya ay buntis
Kumbaga,
or...
kahit wala na sila, team unity.
Yes, unity. Pagkakaisa sabi ni BBM, ganun.
Ano nangyari sa kanila ni
Wala na,
Duterte?
break na.
Wala
Sabi nga
break
ni
na yung
Sara
team
Duterte,
unity.
di ba? Sinubukan nila akong igorgor. Hindi sila nagtagumpay. You know what's gorgor?
Ay, what's gorgor?
Like slash? Ano to?
Talaga ba?
Slash. Meron kasi
Okay,
siyang
may-
sugat
sa
dito.
net. Oo nga. Was it from what?
Ay, basta yun na sinasabi niya. Sinubukan nila akong igorgor. Nung tinanong siya, sino? Lahat sila. Pak, nyo kaya, sa Sara Duterte, ganun.
I love it. I love Philippine
Napunta na tayo
politics.
sa Sara Duterte.
I love Philippine politics because we are in a world of showbiz.
Of course,
Wala
what are
na-
your thoughts?
mas
Speaking of
show-
Dutertes, what
mas
are your thoughts
showbiz
na
pa.
tatatlo?
Can I just say, mas showbiz pa
Tatakbo.
yung politics natin kesa sa showbiz natin.
Mas
Can I just say
nai-entertain
that?
ka sa politics, no?
I am so... Si Esa, naiinis... Before we get back to the topic, sorry, this is off topic. Si Esa naiinis sa akin because papanoorin ko yung Alice Guo trial hanggang 2 ng umaga. Wala akong pake. Sobrang invested ako kasi, oh my God, nakakabobo. Papasok si Jinggoy. Nag-lunch ka na ba? Yan yung mga tanong niya sa Senate hearing. Nag-lunch ka na ba?
Pero believe ako sa'yo,
Diba? Kilala ko boyfriend mo. May boyfriend ka ba? I was like, is this fucking real? Is this fucking real? In the middle of a
Napamura na
Senate-
siya.
No, diba parang, oh my God, this is so entertaining. We all look like clowns.
And I think, Pilipinas
Oh my God.
I mean, tayo lang talaga yung ganun. Yung
Diba? Tayo-
pinaka-comedy.
Oh my God.
Ang politika sa buong mundo, sa Pilipinas yun.
Kilala ko
Well-
boyfriend mo. Do you wanna tell this court who's your boyfriend? Kasi kilala ko boyfriend.
So hanggang saan ka umabot? Doon sa mga napanood mo?
Tinapos ko.
Nasaan ka na sa update sa buhay ni Mayor?
Alam ko lang na I feel so bad kasi na-catfish tayo kasi may iba palang Alice Guo na itsurang babae.
Yes,
So,
yun ang
stolen
pinaka-latest. May NBI, sa NBI database lumabas na may ibang Alice Guo na
A few days before na taga doon, same birthday, everything.
Yeah. Wow,
Different
I'm
face.
so
It is-
happy that
it is a
you're
show.
so updated.
It is a
Ikaw na
show.
yan.
Okay, mabalik tayo. Do you think, before we wrap this up, do you think that men have it better than women? That's what me and my wife always debate about. So I want to get your take on this. Sakto, bagong
Yes.
panganak ka lang, you went through everything, so now you answer the question.
Yes,
Yes.
because after giving birth, even yung burden of taking care of the children, kahit nandyan yung tatay, mas sa nanay pa rin yun eh. Kahit working yung nanay, sa nanay pa rin yun.
And I also have to give props to all the single moms out there.
Yeah, yun na nga.
Ikaw nga, you were mentioning over and over how Mike's so supportive, your husband's
Yes.
so supportive.
Pero paano
Now,
na lang yung iba?
Imagine going through it with zero. Diba? So,
Hirap.
major props to all the single moms out there. If you ask me, I would have to agree with you. Yes.
Buti naman.
Hindi, I'm not gonna argue with that, no, because I do believe, yun nga, we went through the whole analysis, diba? So we're not just talking about career, pausing your life, carrying the child, what you have to go through after breastfeeding and all that stuff. It is quite a task, and I'm not sure if all guys are built for that, or guys are even built for that to begin with, no? That's why I guess God created it that way na yung mga girls ang kayang gumawa niyan. And I think as a guy, the best thing you can do is either be there, for your wife or whatever, be a good father, the best that you can be. And always remember, yun nga, the sacrifices, the non-monetary sacrifices that women have to put up with or had to go through just so you guys had a kid, or just so you guys have a kid. The pause in the career, you're thriving in your career, yes, but also they could be thriving more than you, but they had to probably pause because you guys had a kid. Diba? And that's a beautiful, you guys are in a beautiful relationship, and the best you can do is, of course, be supportive and loving as a partner.
Tumbok mo. Nahuli mo. Dahil dyan, pwede ka na mag-anak bukas. Pwede ka na mag-anak
Relax. Ganda timing itong topic natin kasi I wanted to talk to you about it a long time ago. Except sabi ko,
super timing to kasi kung napansin nyo, ang dami pong nagbuntisan just recently. Ang dami buntisan, no?
Ang daming sumisex. Anyway, ito na nga. That's a wrap for this episode. Thank you for joining us. My name is nakalimutan pa ko. My name is Samoy G.
Yung sinasabi ko sa'yo napag-usapan lang si Mayora, ganyan ka na. And this is Chacha.
Thank you for listening. Be safe and be good.